What is going on, guys? Liz over here at Pondering Creations Farm. Welcome back to our channel. It is Winter Wonderland here at the farm, and I'm going to take you guys on a quick little tour. Christmas and the holidays are fast approaching, so I figured I would take you guys around and show you what we have set up here at Winter Wonderland. Keep in mind that if it does snow, I'm going to do this again, so don't get mad at me. Strange there's no ice on the pond, but there will be tomorrow. It's really cold tonight. I could look at this reflection all day. It's so pretty. But I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about the blow molds. So there's over 350 set up here at Pondering Creations Farm. We've been displaying them for quite some time and collecting them for probably just as long. Everybody asks if we sell them. We do sometimes have some for sale in the gift shop, but they tend to go pretty quickly. Another thing we get asked is about our electric bill, but honestly, by the time we turn off our pond, all of these are run off of LEDs, so it kind of equals itself out. I'm going to put a link at the end of this video to last year's ice storm so you guys can check that out, and I'm going to be quiet for the rest of the video, so enjoy. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on the next one. Happy holiday!